Okay, hello. So continuing on these contests, I'm going to do weekly contest 166. Let's take the second problem. Okay, let's get in. Okay, let's set up stopwatch for, since it's a medium problem, should be done 20 minutes, should be enough. Okay, so the problem is group the people given the group size they belong to. So we have n people whose IDs go from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, n people, IDs from 0 to n minus 1. Each person belongs exactly to one group. N people, IDs from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, n people, 0 to n minus 1. And then each person belongs to exactly one group. Okay, so we have groups. We have one person corresponds to one group, like this. Some kind of correspondence between them. Given the array group sizes, of length n, telling the group size each person belongs to, within the groups there are, and the people's IDs. Each group includes security and instruction in any order, and the same applies for IDs. Also, it's guaranteed that there exists at least one solution. So I have group sizes like this: 3, 3, 3. So we have 5 groups of 3, 6 groups of 3, and 1 group of 1. What? So n people whose IDs go from 0 to n minus 1. So here, and each person, how do you guess n? So 3, 6, 7, right? 3, 6, 7. Okay, so it's the length of group sizes. To one group. Given the group sizes of length n, telling the group size each person belongs to. So this tells us that person 0 corresponds to a group of is in a group of 3 people. 1 in a group of 3 people. 2 in a group of 3 people. 3 in a group of 3 people. 4 in a group of 4 people. 3 people, and 1 in a group of 5 in a group of 1 person. That's 5 alone. Okay. Interesting. So essentially what this says is that group, so person I is in a group of size, group sizes of I. And we need to allocate them. So definitely we know that we need to go through range of n. We need to define n to be equal to length of group sizes, right? And then this is n, and then we need some kind of result where we put things, right? And we need some buckets, right? So we need to fill them up, right? So maybe res is just 0 for range of would be the group sizes of I for I in range of n. Should probably be something like this. So Okay, does this even work? Let's say. Nope. So we have 3, 4, we need to have 3, 5 times, right? 3, 5 times, right? So we have 3, 5 times, then 1. Okay. Looks like it works, right? Then okay, so now we need to fill that somehow, right? So first I'm going to put -1 because that will help me distinguish if it's filled or not. And we need some kind of map to tell us if there is still spot open, right? Groups map, okay? What if we have that? And then for 3 I would have how many out there, right? So that means you could go through so groups map would be just like value or count and of int. So if you do it for int, then that would mean okay. Nope, this is not promising. Map greedy. Okay, so we need to put as much as we can. Okay, those same group IDs into buckets, right? So what if I say, okay, those with the same group ID, so that means with the same group size. So let's call this as size, group size, right? Right? Group size, right? And so let's put the people. So this would be a list. And to give you I. Okay, this would be an array. Give us the group. And now split each bucket. So now we know each person, we know we have a map. So if I group, okay, so now we could go through the keys in sorted order, right? So res, so for k in groups maps dot keys sorted keys do sorted, and then for each key we have the number of people in it, right? So so I need to divide this into 6 essentially. If length of groups map of k is bigger than k, is equal to k, then well, res append just the value as it is, alright? Else, well, we need to divide it, right? So for I in range of well, we are going to take this here, length of it divided by k, and have this called j I equal to 0, and then res append basically groups map of k. So this would be we need to take the k first element, right? The 3, 0, 1, 2, and then once we append those we'll see I plus k, so we'll be starting at 3, which makes sense, and at the end we'll return this. Keys. Yeah, so it needs to be I to k, to I plus k. Right, that looks good. Wow. Okay. Interesting.